In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a Microsoft Teams meeting in Outlook. We'll walk through this from start to finish so that by the end, you can quickly set up a Teams meeting right from your Outlook calendar without any confusion. First, open Outlook and make sure you're looking at the main window where you usually see your emails. On the left-hand side, you'll see a navigation bar with different icons, such as Mail and Calendar. Go ahead and click on Calendar. This switches you from your inbox view into your calendar view, where you can see your day, week, or month laid out. Once you're in the calendar, look towards the top left of the window. You should see an option labeled either New Meeting or New Event, depending on your version of Outlook. Both work for this. Click that button to create a new calendar entry that will become your Teams meeting. A new window will open with a form where you can fill out the meeting details. Start with the title. This is what you and your attendees will see on the calendar, so make it clear and specific, like Project Update Meeting or Weekly Check-in. Next, add your attendees. In the field usually labeled To or Required, begin typing the names or email addresses of the people you want to invite. Outlook will often suggest contacts as you type, and you can select the correct ones from the list. If someone is optional, many versions of Outlook also have an optional field where you can place them, but that's up to you. Now choose the date and time. Select the day for the meeting, then set the start time and end time. Try to choose a window that works for everyone, and if you have access to scheduling tools like the scheduling assistant, you can use that to check availability. Also make sure the time zone is correct, especially if people are joining from different regions. If your Outlook is connected properly to Microsoft Teams, the meeting invite will automatically include an option to join via Teams, usually as a link in the body of the invitation. You can also add any notes or an agenda in the description area to give participants more context. When everything looks good, click Send. Outlook will send the invitation to your attendees and place the Teams meeting on your calendar. That's all you need to do to schedule a Microsoft Teams meeting in Outlook.